When you're a student, you have a strong desire to grow up, have a job, and make money. You might be ecstatic to plan your careers and gain professional experience. However, some students are left asking, how can I make some extra bucks being a student? Well, climb on board if you're one of these students looking for the finest way to make money. Hello guys, and welcome to Luxury Society. Number 1. Sell unwanted possessions. We all have old textbooks laying about, whether they're from school or university, or simply books that your aunt bought you for Christmas that you never read. What about those CDs, DVDs, and movies you no longer use? Why not put these up for sale? It may appear to be too much trouble, but there are numerous websites that can assist you. Just do your homework and you'll make more money than you ever imagined. Number 2. Create a YouTube channel. Many popular people began their YouTube careers while still in high school. They utilized their skill to make their friends laugh and leverage it to attract followers on the internet. As their following grew, more and more companies approached them to utilize their fame to promote their products. So, if you think you can make people laugh or maybe teach some facts and information on the internet about numerous topics, go for it. Number 3. Your notes have value. Put your work and effort to good use. The hours of note-taking and meticulous charts and diagrams you've accumulated could earn you more than a passing mark. Many sites will allow you to upload your notes and make them available to any students who require extra assistance. It works like this. You post your notes, pick a price, and they get paid. So if you've strived and would like to get anything out of it, go ahead and try this one. Number 4. Be a tutor. Another excellent option to earn money as a student is to turn your academic expertise into a tutoring position. This moneymaker is highly profitable with earnings of around $25 to $35 per hour. If you're interested in making money, you can post your skills on employment sites for locals to view or use tutoring services. Number 5. Freelancing. Being a freelance has 2 major advantages. You may charge whatever you want and you can work whenever you want. A freelancer can work for as little as a few hours per week or as much as $100,000 per year. There are numerous services just like any other platform that will allow you to work as a freelancer and earn big cash. Number 6. Instagram influencer. Instagram is another network that's gradually becoming the ideal way for students to make money online. If you're one of those people who like maintaining an online presence with a large number of followers, you can utilize your platform to discuss a specific topic. These could be makeup techniques, workout advice, travel guides, and so on. As your following grows, you'll be able to negotiate more deals with great brands. Number 7. Online courses for sale. If you're unable to make sufficient progress with your online tutoring program, selling your courses online is the next best option. Many platforms now allow aspiring teachers to sign up for their services and sell their own classes online. You may create a course on whatever skill you have and sell it on these platforms. Anything and everything from dance to sketching to cooking. You will start making more money as your course grows more popular. Number 8. Graphic designing. If you're adept at editing photos online or utilizing Adobe products like Photoshop, becoming such a graphic designer is the ideal option for students to make money online. Graphic designers are in high demand right now, as everyone from businesses to individuals desires cool-looking digital art to be used on their websites, social media accounts, brochures, and other materials. 9. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is increasingly becoming one of the most popular ways for students over the globe to make money online. As more businesses seek to establish a digital presence, they're giving greater offers for students opportunities to make money by assisting them with activities such as designing and implementing small-scale marketing initiatives for businesses, particularly using social media and other websites. Number 10. Be a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant would be the one who does all the tasks of a personal assistant over the internet. There are many organizations that choose to hire such an assistant who works remotely and for a lower salary. This may be a fantastic alternative for you if you have good organizing and communication abilities. Data entry, social media management, and researching are just a few of the frequent tasks that may be anticipated. Which way to make money out of the list was your favorite? Write your favorites in the section below. With that being said, do drop this video a like, subscribe to Luxury Society, and push the bell icon. See you soon!